Y'all see it. Y'all, we got a nice little haul today. So I'm not going to waste your time. I'm not going to waste my time because I just want to know what's in these boxes. This one got 2 boxes in it. Oh, excuse me. This one, why am I saying excuse me to the packages? Because they're important. They look important. Anyway, this one got 2 boxes in it. So let's just see. I guess I could just cut right down the middle, baby. Let's see. Oh, I hope I ain't messed nothing up. Y'all gonna flip when y'all see this. Baby, what is this? My heart is beating. Oh my God, it's beating hard. Try not to. What is this? Does that say? Hold on. I'm gonna fast forward through this part because y'all not about to watch me struggle in real time. And it's 2 of them. And it's 2 of them. And it's 2 of them. Play with your man. Play with your mammy. Play with your mistress, but do not play with me. You can't play with me. You can't play with me. No, you can't play with me. Play with your man, your mammy, or your mistress. But what we not gonna do is play with V, okay? Because the way my life's set up, I have 4 teenagers. They going to college. They going. Guess what? What is this? Oh, I'm so excited. I am a Van Cleef fan. Y'all see the box? Dude, I thought it was the kind that folded. It is! It's the kind that fold down, bitch! Oh my gosh. What's in this box? Ooh. I'm fucking up. I'm fucking up. Oh, it is pretty. A lucky charm. It's the 1st of March. And I had a good day at work today. This is a sign. Is this a sign, Lord? Thank you. I'm going to take it as a sign because I'm happy. I had a good day today. I did great at my job today. I was hard on myself last month. I didn't do what I wanted to do last month. But this month, I'm going to make something shake. They are not going to be disappointed in me. This is the other one. I don't want anyone to think I'm a failure. So, because I'm not a failure. Y'all see me over here? I can't even get it open. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. These are beautiful. I have a white one already. But I've been peeping the green one because I have a emerald green necklace that my husband gave me when we were dating. And now I have a green Van Cleef. Y'all see it? Whatever. People get so upset and worked up. Oh, if you can't afford authentic. Girl, mind your business. How about that? Mind your business. Oh, if you can't afford designer, you shouldn't be wearing dupes. How about you mind your business? Why are you worried about what I'm wearing? Ain't nobody worried about what you're wearing. I don't know if it's real or fake. Shit, just because you say it's real don't mean it's real. You see what I just did? These girls are a trip.